Home screen. Connect your mobile device to the drone via Wi-Fi for fast media transfer. View related tutorial videos, manuals, FAQs, and other resources. Access media captured by the drone. Check flight record, device information, find my drone, and manage related account settings. View the current device connection status. Tap to enter the flight interface. Flight interface. System status bar. Warning prompt bar. Gimbal angle. GNSS status. Video transmission signal strength. The current battery level and remaining flight time. System settings. Flight distance. Flight altitude. Horizontal speed. Vertical speed. Shooting modes. Digital zoom. Shutter/record button. Album. Camera manual/auto mode. Shooting parameters. Flight map. Attitude indicator. The attitude indicator allows you to view the real-time orientation and tilt angle of the drone. Different colors represent different tilt angles. Green indicates that the drone is flying at a relatively small tilt angle. Yellow indicates that the drone is flying at a relatively large tilt angle. Red indicates that the drone is flying at a very large tilt angle. Settings. Settings include safety, calibration, control, camera, video transmission, and about. Safety. The flight distance and altitude are limited to 0-30 m. It is recommended that beginners start in beginner mode to learn and become familiar with the drone. 3 flight speeds are available. Set the behavior of the drone on signal lost. Choose carefully based on the flight environment requirements. The minimum altitude at which the drone returns to the home point. Make sure to set this value higher than the surrounding obstacles before flying. After enabling, the home point will be updated to the real-time location of the remote controller. After enabling, the remote controller will no longer beep when the drone initiates RTH. Set the maximum flight altitude and distance. Measurement system settings. After enabling, corresponding flight tips will be displayed at the bottom right of the flight interface. After enabling, the drone supports takeoff with one hand using a combination stick command. After enabling, the drone supports the emergency propeller stop mid-flight using a combination stick command. RID can broadcast real-time parameters of the drone during flight, including latitude, longitude, altitude, speed, takeoff location, etc. You can view the details of the smart battery. Calibration. It is recommended to calibrate the compass before the flight or calibrate it as prompted. Calibrate the gimbal. Fine-tune the roll and pitch of the gimbal according to special needs. Calibrate the remote controller. Pair the remote controller and the drone. Control. Set the control stick mode. Remote controller button functions and indicators. Set the customized button. Set the stick sensitivity according to your personal operating preferences. Adjust the gimbal maximum tilt control speed. Quick switch between horizontal 0 degrees and vertical -90 degrees of the gimbal angle. Switch between stable mode and FPV mode of the gimbal. Camera. Set the camera's white balance. Set grid lines. In manual camera mode, shooting parameters can be reset. Reset is not available in auto mode. Displays the SD card capacity. Format the SD card. Reset file name number. After enabling, the target will automatically be centered on the screen when locked onto. Enable this feature in foggy or hazy weather, as it can improve image clarity. After enabling, GNSS coordinates will be added to the photos. Video transmission. View the strength of environmental interference. About. View information such as device model, firmware, app version, flight safety data, etc.